guys! Good morning! I'm Jovelyn Lomeco and I just want to share with you guys about my credit card dispute journey with RCBC. I'm making this vlog to share my real experience, to raise awareness, and hopefully to help others to avoid the same situation I'm in right now. On March 27, 2026, I went to Market in Taguig to do my usual grocery shopping. Everything seems normal, you know. Punta ka sa grocery, okay, ikot-ikot ka doon, kunin mo yung mga needs mo. Nung medyo kompleto na yung yung basket ko, of course, basket of grocery. Punta na ako ng cashier. Counter 6 yon. So, iyon. Yung kasambahay ko, siya yung naglalagay dun sa cashier. Then, may nakalimutan ako nun. So, ano ba yung nakalimutan ko? Tissue. Yun. So, pumunta ako sa, tissue sections. And kumuha ako ng tissue, bumalik ako sa counter 6. So, when about to pay, I reach out my bag kasi nandun yung wallet ko. And then, like, gosh, yung wallet ko nawawala. So, nagpanik ako. Papanik! Tapos biglang nanginig yung katawan ko. So, sabi ko sa cashier, "Ate, my wallet get stolen." So, syempre nag-stop yung scanning ng mga kinuha ko. And then, yun nga. Inano ko yung phone ko, chinek ko yung phone ko kasi sa phone ko meron akong mobile app. So, nakalink lahat doon. And then, yun nga, nakita ko, I receive notifications from the credit card. And doon nga, meron nga unauthorized transactions worth 64,780. Na-swipe yung card ko. Yung transactions na yun was done an online merchants. Ang tawag ba dun? Game line. So, on that time, about 2 p.m. to 4:56, nasa grocery physically ako. And then the transactions made on that time, 4:56, nasa pa ako nun, grocery pa ako. So, the moment na nalaman ko na nga na yung wallet ko had been stolen, I immediately start taking actions.